Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two epic contenders, the Entina Mini 2 and the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Entina 2 is coming in hot at $169. It's like the dollar store of 3D printers. Affordable, but surprisingly good quality. On the other hand, the Neptune 3 Pro is priced at $249. That's right, folks. It's like buying a VIP ticket to a concert. Worth it if you want the extra perks. Now, let's talk about setup and ease of use. Entina 2 is like your grandma's favorite recipe. Simple and straightforward. It's completely assembled out of the box, so you can start printing faster than you can say IKEA instructions. The Neptune 3 Pro, however, is a bit more like assembling a piece of IKEA furniture. It comes pre-assembled but requires some setup. But hey, it does come with a complete toolkit, so you can feel like Bob the Builder. Reviewers love the Entina 2 for its user-friendly setup and compact design, while the Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its detailed assembly instructions and helpful videos. Precision and quality, where the rubber meets the road, or, in this case, where the filament meets the platform. Entina 2 boasts dual Z-axis rails for high-precision printing. It's like a tightrope walker with a safety net, stable and precise. The Neptune 3 Pro, however, takes it up a notch with dual synchronized lead screws and a dual motor drive. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of 3D printing, daring and flawless. Reviewers find the Entina 2 to consistently produce high-quality prints with precision and ease, while the Neptune 3 Pro is noted for its reliable and impressive performance. Special features time. Entina 2 has auto-leveling and a magnetic platform. It's the lazy person's dream come true, no manual leveling required. Just one touch, and you're good to go. Neptune 3 Pro, on the other hand, is the overachiever with a dual-gear direct extruder, smart resume printing, and a non-contact high-precision sensor for auto-mesh bed level. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. According to reviews, Entina 2's auto-leveling feature is a major plus, while Neptune 3 Pro's advanced features like smart resume printing are highly valued. Noise level, because nobody wants a 3D printer that sounds like a jet engine. Entina 2 is already pretty quiet, but Neptune 3 Pro takes it to a whole new level with silent stepper motors that keep the noise down to a whisper at 47 to 48 decibels. It's basically the ninja of 3D printers. Reviewers appreciate the quiet operation of both models, but Neptune 3 Pro's silent stepper motor are particularly praised. Size and portability. Because sometimes, size does matter. Entina 2 is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for home use, classrooms, and even dorm rooms. It's like the mini fridge of 3D printers. The Neptune 3 Pro, however, is larger with a build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters. It's like the full-size refrigerator of 3D printers. More space, more possibilities. Reviewers find Entina 2's compact design ideal for small spaces, while Neptune 3 Pro's larger build volume is perfect for more ambitious projects. Overall, reviewers love the Entina Mini 2 for its affordability, user-friendliness, and compact design, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its advanced features, reliable performance, and larger build volume, making it suitable for more experienced users and ambitious projects. So there you have it, smart buyers. The Entina 2 is your go-to for an affordable, user-friendly, and compact 3D printing experience. Perfect for beginners and those who just want to hit print and go. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is for those who want a bit more of everything. More features, more precision, and more build volume. It's the luxury sedan of 3D printers. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Product links are in the description.